What's really good, guys? It's your boy Bassett, aka Blessed Kicks. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys a banger. Today's episode I will be showing you guys a Kith collab with ASICS and Marvels for their X-Men 60th anniversary. Alright, so I finally got my hands on this pair. I got this pair from one of my friends at work and my wife's size for $195, which is a box price, which is not bad, you know. And it was just sitting there for him, so I was like, you know what, just pass it on to me. Shout out to Thomas, man. Thank you for hooking me up. So before I open this box and show you guys, I know I'm really late on this, but I know a lot of content creators already made cool videos on this, but I wanted to put this video out there as well. So before I open this, I just want to show you guys the box. All right, so here's the box. Got the X-Men logo right over here. Got the James Lee's art all over the box. Let's take the sleeve off. Alright, so it's a mystery box, you know. So I don't know what's inside. There's a PSA card inside which will tell me which sneaker it is, but I'm gonna try to just leave the card inside somehow. Alright, so as you guys can see in the front, got all the characters over here. So each character has their own pair, you know. So they came up with the 6 pairs, but 7 because Wolverine gets 2 of his pairs. And this is behind in the back of the box. Got the X-Men logo over here. Alright, front of the box and behind the box. Alright, so I'm about to open this up and see what it's about. 1, 2, and 3. Finally I opened it. Alright, let's get inside. Alright, let me just look for the card. Where's the card at? Oh, I see the card. Okay, I'm just gonna leave the card inside since I already know that the card is all the way over here. Just gonna leave it inside and just take this out. Alright, let me put this on the side for now. Whoa, man, look at this. Got the X-Men logo over here. More of the James Lee's art over here. Really cool, really cool. Alright, look at this, guys. Really cool. Alright, let's open this up. I'm really not trying to mess up this packaging, but I'm just trying to be careful because I like how this is packed. I really like how this is packed. Alright, let me see. It should have done like a Ziploc bag or something, you know? Just like open it up and yo, I've been wanting to do this for a very, very long time. And I wanted this pair. In the future, I'll probably get my size as well. As you guys can see, Kith with a Cyclops collab. I got this on their website on the day they dropped. Alright, you guys ready? I'm really hoping for it's like a Wolverine. Alright, wow! Look at this, guys. What? Nice. Very nice. Alright. Okay, that's pretty good because it's like pinkish. So it'll go with my wife. Look at this, guys. Very nice. Beautiful pair. I like it. I mean, she'll like it. She'll love it because it actually will go with her, you know? Love how it got the split on the tongue. That's really cool. Comes with a lot of laces. Got one right here. Another one. 2. Okay, that's it. Okay, let me put this on the side. Alright, the PSA card. Oh my god, look at this. Very nice, guys. Just love how nice they pack this. So cool. There you go, guys. There we have the Gambit ASICS pair. Very nice, beautiful. Man, keep on doing collabs like this. I'm telling you, they killed it. Because since I was a kid, I used to love playing the arcades, the Marvel vs. Street Fighters. Man, I was bad at it. I was really good at it. All right, thank you. If I get another pair, I will review it from now on. For now, peace.